It was a new structure that we had today. We haven't tried this in the UK before. What we were trying to do was create a more interactive session whereby we could communicate, what was happening within the business and what was happening with the product, but then get the customers to actually get their hands dirty and get their hands on. And to follow that by having Q&A sessions so that as issues were coming up, then we could raise it in a forum where everybody could get an answer to the questions.
I found today's training event very useful. Whilst I'm an avid user of Phocas, it's given me further hints and tips, shortcuts to get to the data much more quickly or to create things much more quickly. Very worthwhile.
Not only do you get the training session so you learn how to get more out of Phocas, which is what we want you to do, but you also get the opportunity to meet like-minded people. You can share ideas, you can share war stories, so I would say come down and enjoy the day.